they are one of the most popular Jodis. I think their friendship was very adorable, very protective and possessive about
Right.
me. He knows I'm a strong woman, I can look after myself. But the way
Right.
he is, he does not like it if somebody ill
Right.
treats me or does not talk to me properly.
We have with us the
Hello.
gorgeous, stunning, and beautiful. She's known by the Kata Laga girl. She has millions of followers on social media. We have with us Big Boss 13 contestant Shefali Zariwala. Thank you so much for joining us on India.com
Thank you
and
so much,
Bollywood Live.
Saurabh, for having me. It's a pleasure.
Yes, and it seems like you have been traveling a lot because your Instagram pictures have been flooded.
So I have such a wanderlust. I mean, from a very young age, I'm very fond of traveling, and the whole of
Right,
last year was almost like we couldn't really go anywhere. So the
right,
first opportunity that I get, I start traveling. So yeah, so I'm always
right.
traveling. I love it. Even our work is such that it takes us places. So I think I'm in the perfect profession. Someone who loves
Right.
traveling so much, I think I'm in the perfect profession.
Great. So, after this Big Boss 13 thing happened, okay, are you in touch with any of the Big Boss 13 contestant right now?
Most of them, in fact, we have our own
Okay,
WhatsApp group and we keep
okay,
in touch, sending each other jokes, keeping a check on
right,
everybody. So most of the people are on the group and they're very active, and it's nice to be in touch with
okay,
those people because we spent a lot of time together in one home. We were like really connected with each other, but
right.
a few of them are very very close to me, and we're in touch
Hmm.
on a daily basis.
Okay, so who all are there on that WhatsApp group? We want to know.
I don't think I should talk about the WhatsApp group. It's highly
Okay.
confidential.
No problem, no problem. Have you watched the full series of Big Boss 14 by the way?
No, unfortunately, I haven't been able to follow all the
Right.
episodes, but I did get the gist of it because I was reviewing it
Okay.
for Times of India. So I had
Right.
to keep up with what's going on and everything. So I tried to watch most of it.
Okay, okay. So you might be knowing all the stuff like it's and bits of it.
I
Uh
hope so.
Sneak
I
peek.
hope so. I
Okay.
hope so.
Okay. So, this season, we have observed, like, they have a lot of challenges have been participated on Big Boss 14. Okay. And in case if you get a chance once again for Big Boss for 15, would you like to participate?
See, it's a very, very difficult question to answer because
Right,
just after coming out of the Big Boss lockdown, uh,
right.
we were in another lockdown. And if you ask me this question today, if I would want to go back into another lockdown, I would say no, or I'm going to go crazy because it was very difficult to be in that sort of a high stress environment, and you're not in touch with
Right,
your friends and family outside, and it's been like that for the whole of last year. For most of us, we couldn't meet our friends, our
right.
family. Of course we were in touch with them, but we were locked down in our house, and just when things
Correct.
had started to come back to normal, here we are again in a lockdown. So
Right.
today, if you ask me this question, my answer is absolutely no. I love my freedom too much.
Right, right, right. So, if you have observed Big Boss clearly, like, there have been a lot of Jodis. Like, if we
Yes,
can give an example of Sidnas, then Mahira Paras, okay.
yes, yes,
We
yes.
want to have your opinion. We will showcase you few pictures, okay. And you would like to, you have to give some opinion about this Jodi, okay. So we are
Okay,
showcasing you few pictures. Just let us know what do you think about this couple,
okay.
Mahira and Paras.
I think they are adorable together. They were the
Okay,
one Jodi in our season. They were consistently together with each other from the
right,
beginning till the end. There was no
right.
flip, or of course they were friends and they were very fond of each other. So you'd see the little knock joke and the fighting, which is very normal between two friends. I just really liked
Okay,
their loyalty that they had towards each other. They were very, very
right.
loyal to each other. They were a very strong Jodi.
Okay. Ajaz and Pavitra?
I think they make a wonderful pair. It's
Okay.
like Pavitra, Ijaz, or whatever I saw him, that man
Hmm.
was broken. And I think
Right.
Big Boss did good to him. You know, sometimes when you face your own traumas, you come out stronger. And I think Pavitra is
Right.
somebody who has been able to do that for Ejaz. They look very good together. And it was really nice to see a man say, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तू कैसी भी है, मुझे अच्छी लगती है. So I like that. That's very
Okay.
honest. And they look good together. There were some wonderful moments
Okay.
between both of them, and I just wish them all the very best. And I just
It
hope they
doesn't
always.
seem like you haven't missed the episode. You have watched this episode.
Like I said, I tried to get most of it. But yeah, I mean, that's
Right.
one thing I really loved about Ejaz because, not
Right.
many men have that courage to say it on screen, on camera, in front of lakhs and millions of people watching that, yeah, you're flawed, but
Right.
whatever it is, I mean, I like you. And it takes a lot of courage to say that, and it's a real man to say that. So I'm very fond
Right.
of them as a couple.
Okay. Great. Fitness.
Oh, they are one of the most popular Jodis. I think their friendship was very adorable. Lots of ups and downs throughout the show, but I guess that is what the audiences really enjoyed.
Right.
I think they are wonderful with each other. We don't know if they are dating, not dating. I don't know, but I think they seem to be very happy with each other, and I would wish them well.
Great. Rubina and Abhinav.
Being married myself, I must tell you one thing, that the Big Boss's house can make or break a relationship. Like, you see a lot of
Right.
jodis get formed, and similarly, a relationship can also break in the Big Boss house. You know, because there is so much pressure, and you're there as
Right.
co-contestants, and that can add as an advantage as well as be a big disadvantage. But
Right.
initially, there were issues between Rubina and Abhinav, but I think the foundation of their marriage is very, very strong, and
Right.
they were very strong together, and I think they did great. I loved their journey, and I love the fact that they were honest about their relationship. Okay, we have given each other another
Right.
chance, and after the Big Boss journey, they have decided to be with each other forever, and they've fallen in love with each
Right.
other all over again. And that was very, very
Right.
honest. I could feel that too. Rubina is a wonderful wife, and Abhinav also is a wonderful husband to her. And I think they're a
Right.
wonderful, wonderful journey.
You you know one thing I would like to add on this. Since Parag has also entered to the Big Boss house, and you both were looking amazing. It seems like Parag is also a contestant of the Big Boss 13 reality show. The
Yeah,
way we
I
have
mean,
seen the chemistry.
I
Yeah.
remember that moment, because it had been 3 months in the house, and especially at
Correct.
that point, the stress levels in the house were really, really high, and we were all
Correct.
losing our minds at a drop of a hat. So in
Right.
that, if you see somebody that you love, it brings so much reassurance, and it brings this courage in you, that you need,
True.
that reassurance that you need from somebody, and that can only come from a person
Right.
you love. So I remember when
Right.
Parag entered the house for those 15-20 minutes or whatever. There is no watch in the house. I don't know how long he was there with
Right.
me, but that those were the moments that I think will be with me till the day I die. It was beautiful to see him in the house at that point in the game, because I was really,
Right.
really all ready to give up, and it was just so stressful. And to see him was like, it was just so nice. I know
Great.
I don't know if you guys will understand, but it is a magic moment.
We do understand that, and we have seen that emotions clearly. So yeah, it's a great couple, and we wish you both all the very best for
I'm so
that.
thankful to you and your wishes.
Yeah. Next couple.
I think they
Yes.
are adorable together. I mean, I had
Right.
tears in my eyes the day Jasmine was evicted,
Right.
and the way Ali, and it was very honest. There was no pretense there.
Right.
I could, and
Right.
and because it was honest, it reached our hearts, and we had the tears in our eyes. And I think they are wonderful together. Um, Ali
Right.
brings a lot of stability in Jasmine's life, and I'm sure Jasmine does the same for Ali. I think they are
Right.
like just perfect together. They are a very good looking couple, and they are wonderful. They are adorable with each other,
Right.
and it's nice. It's nice to see people in love. So it's wonderful. I
Great.
really like Ali and Jasmine.
And how about that in case you and Parag enter as a couple? I twisted
Well,
that question.
I don't know what will happen. I really don't know what will happen. But
Right.
right now, I mean, I don't want to go in the Big Boss house because of this lockdown. So let's just not even talk
Right.
about it.
Okay, let's not
It
talk about
scares
it.
me.
All right, no worries. So
But yeah,
we
but
have
you'll
seen
definitely
you.
see a lot of PDA, public display of affection, because we're very comfortable with each other. We are very, very
Right.
comfortable with each other. तो
Right.
झगड़ते तो हम है नहीं बिल्कुल भी. I mean, Parag
Right.
and I, we don't fight. So that is one thing
Right.
that the audience may not see, but they will see a lot of mushy moments and a lot of romantic moments, because Parag is very, very romantic, and we don't shy away from public display of affection.
But
So
I'll
that
tell
is
you
something
one
that
thing about Big Boss 13 moment. The day Parag has entered, okay, and Asim को जिस तरीके से समझाया तभी वो literally scared at that moment. वही असीम के साथ कुछ ना हो जाए because he's हट्टा कट्टा healthy, कुछ ना करते
Yeah, and
कुछ ना
Parag is
कर
very,
बैठे.
very, very protective and possessive about
Right.
me. He knows I'm a strong woman. I can look after myself. But the way
Right.
he is, he does not like it if somebody ill
Right.
treats me or does not talk to me properly, and that angers him a lot.
Correct.
So I guess it was just
Right.
that emotion. But at the end of
Right.
the day, it's a game, and
Correct.
the stress levels of the house are very high. It's not the real world. In the
Correct.
real world, people don't end up reacting like that. It's just the house, and that's how the game is.
Okay, great. Okay, Facebook has 6 emoji. Okay, like, love, wow, haha, angry, and sad. Okay, we will
Okay.
present you few pictures right now. Okay, and you have to describe them by one word. Okay,
By
are
the
you ready for
emoji.
that?
Yes.
By emoji, and you have to just comment by one word. Okay, I will
Okay.
share the screen with you.
Yeah.
Okay, so these
So we
are
have
the
to like,
emojis.
love, laughing,
Right,
wow, sad, angry. Okay.
correct. Yeah. Okay,
Rashmi,
Rashmi.
Rashmi, I would give a sad face because her journey, Big Boss journey, was very, very tough. She was going through a lot of
Right,
personal crisis in the Big Boss house, but she yet emerged really strong.
right.
So there was times that I felt really sad for Rashmi. So I think the crying face.
Okay.
Siddharth Shukla, I think angry because he was very, very angry in the Big Boss house. A
Right,
lot of people were making him very, very angry. So
right.
definitely angry.
Okay, great.
Aarti, I would laugh because she's very cute. She would make me laugh. She's adorable. So I think
Okay,
laugh together with Aarti because she's really funny and we're good friends, and you can
right.
share a good laugh with her.
Okay, great. Shahnaz.
Shahnaz, I think wow, because she has transformed herself beautifully in the past 1 year. I mean,
Right,
what she was in the Big Boss house, I see a lot of growth in her, and she's doing really well for herself. And from
right,
someone who nobody knew and becoming everybody's favorite, so I think Shahnaz absolutely deserves a bow.
great.
Mahira deserves a heart emoji. We didn't get along well in the beginning, but the dynamics are always changing in the Big Boss house, and towards the end we became really good friends, sisters of sort, and she had a
Right.
lot of love to give to me. So I would
Okay,
definitely select the heart emoji for her, love back to her, for all the love that she gave.
okay.
Himanshi, I would give a big thumbs up to. She came
Mm-hmm.
inside the house at the right time, gave Asim the support that he needed.
Right.
and improved his game. And big thumbs up to her also. She was very unwell in the Big Boss house, but whatever, for how much ever time that she was there, she gave it her best shot. So definitely a thumbs
Sure.
up for Himanshi. She's very talented, she's beautiful, and she's doing very
Okay.
well.
Great. Paras.
Paras, again, I think I would give a laughter emoji because he's really funny.
Right.
He would make me very angry in the first half of the game, but second half of the game we really had a good time together. He's very funny,
Right.
he made us laugh, and he's a great guy.
Okay. Great.
Asim, I think I would give a thumbs up to. Again, from being not known that much, you know, his journey in the Big Boss house, and today he's become so popular. His fandom is so strong. He has a great body, and I know he works very hard for it. And he's,
Right.
I'm sure the boys going to do a lot of good work in the future. So definitely a big thumbs up and an all the best to him.
Can you call her by the way you call him, like Asim?
And I would call him on his face.
We want to hear that once again, honestly, being very honest about it.
Awesome.
Okay, great.
I'm saying
Thank
it
you.
after such a long time.
Yeah. And yes, our favorite.
Shefali Jariwal, I'd give hearts because I love myself.
Okay.
मैं अपनी
Okay.
favorite हूँ. It's very
Right.
important to love yourself because if you don't love yourself, nobody can love you. Right? So put
Right.
yourself in
Right.
your own priority list. Look after yourself, look after your health, love yourself because you are always
Right.
working so hard. So show some self-love, and I'm always showing love to myself
Right.
because that kind of motivates me, encourages me to move forward. So heart to me.
Okay.
And of course,
Well,
for all the
thank.
love that I'm get, so I'm really thankful. People
Yeah.
have really showered me with a lot of love and support for all these years, and I am what I am because of them. And a big,
Right.
big love to them all for showing me all the love and support always.
Great. Thank you so much, Shefali, for your precious time. And we
Thank you
wish
so
you
much.
all the very best. And
Thank
you keep
you.
traveling, you keep showcasing us pictures,
I
and we
will,
will
I
adore
promise
them.
you. I can't wait to travel
Yeah.
again, and I promise you I'll keep posting great pictures. And you
Right.
be safe. Right now we are all at home, so be safe. Wash your hands,
Right.
wear those masks, and take care of your
Yes.
health, take care of your immunity, and keep exercising.
Right. Thank you so much, Shefali. And all the
Alright,
very best for your
bye-bye.
upcoming ventures. Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye. It was lovely chatting with you.
Bye.